Hi there you guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to be sharing my Amazon Republic Day sale haul with you guys. I think I am 3 or 4 days late to the party because the sale probably ended on the 19th or the 28th of January. तो थोड़ा late बना रही हूँ मैं haul, but it's fine. I mean, we all love watching Amazon hauls, don't we? So आज के haul में we're going to be having a couple of kitchen things, very few home decor items, and then I have tons of books to share with you and a few random items here and there. So if you love like buying kitchen items या अपने घर के लिए चीजें, then you will like this haul. If you're into books, then you will love this haul. All in all, I got such great offers, such great deals on this Republic Day sale, and I always encourage such practice through my videos that only get those things, only buy those things which you will know for sure that you will end up using. Let us just start with the haul. So in case you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. I make a lot of hauls, vlogs, travel vlogs, recommendation videos, collection videos, loads and loads of fun, affordable and relatable content. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first item that I have is a wall hanging. It can be used as a door hanging as well. I love this piece, okay? This says welcome to our home and this is what it looks like. So basically यहाँ पे ना ऐसा एक थ्रेड काइंड ऑफ अ सिचुएशन है, तो आप इसको हैंग कर सकते हो आपके लाइक मेन एंट्री डोर पे या फिर वॉल पे. इट्स सो अमेजिंग. लिविंग एरिया में आप इजीली इसको यूज कर सकते हो. इट्स बेसिकली मेड ऑन वुड एंड इसके ऊपर जो आपको दिख रहा है वो हाई क्वालिटी डिजिटल प्रिंट है. सो इट्स रियली नाइस. आई थिंक वी रियली नीडेड समथिंग फॉर आवर मेन डोर, लाइक द मेन एंट्रेंस डोर. वहां पे हम इसको रख सकते हैं. एंड इसका MRP है 1499, बट आई गॉट इट फॉर 178 rupees. Like, are you kidding me? This was for 178 bucks. I had to grab it. I of course had to. And yeah, it's very good quality, looks very beautiful. In case you guys are not too fond of this particular design, यही वाले पैटर्न में, यही वाले ब्रांड के ना आपको दूसरे मैसेजेस वाले ऑप्शंस भी मिल जाएंगे. If possible, I will put some pictures on the screen, or else of course इसका लिंक तो रहेगा ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. So you guys can click on that and check out all the other available options. Next up, I have a gadget with me. Now, I'm not very fond of smartwatches. Like, I usually like wearing so-called unsmart watches, normal analog watches, you know. But smart watches ना steps वगैरह track करने के लिए बहुत easy रहता है, because phone हमेशा हमारे साथ नहीं रहता है. So accurately आपने कितने steps walk किए या you know कितना workout किया, कितना exercise किया, वो track करने के लिए smart watches do a much better job. I saw this smartwatch from Firebolt. This model is Phoenix Ultra. This is what the smartwatch looks like. Now I know it has a very premium finish, a very premium look to it, which is the primary reason ki I really like this watch so much. One of the best things about this watch is that it comes with a stainless steel band. Generally these smartwatches na, they come with this plasticky wala band, which I really had enough of, and I was not going in for that anymore. And this also has Bluetooth calling, which I feel like a lot of smartwatches don't have. So this has that feature. बाकी तो आपके जितने भी स्टैंडर्ड फीचर्स है ना, सब कुछ है इसमें, लाइक साइकिल ट्रैकिंग, पीडोमीटर एंड योर SpO2 एंड योर हार्ट रेट मेजरमेंट, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल हियर. सो really like it, and it comes with the Dafit app, which I think a lot of other brands also use, if I'm not wrong. So it's a really nice smartwatch. If you guys are looking for a good smartwatch with a premium look, then I think this would be a perfect choice for you. Of course, a lot of you just might like the plasticky wale bands as well. I mean, of course, it's like you do you, I do me. I was into that zone a few years back. Now, coming to the price of this, the MRP is 11,499 rupees, but I got a super awesome deal. I got it for 1499 and I couldn't stop myself. I was looking for smartwatches which will have this premium look, this kind of a stainless steel band, and I came across this piece and I had to get it for myself. Considering the amazing deal at which this was being offered, I just couldn't miss this one. Next up, let's show you the kitchen items that I got. Now, I got this beautiful tiffin dabba. This is a glass tiffin dabba, okay? Now, these things are so useful. I'll tell you why. Because a lot of times now I have to pack lunch for myself or for Vivek, and let's say I want to pack rice. तो राइस एक डब्बे में अलग से रखो, करी एक अलग डब्बे में रखो, दाल एक अलग डब्बे में रखो. इट्स अ मेस एंड इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम. आई थॉट दैट दिस वुड बी अ ग्रेट इन्वेस्टमेंट, बिकॉज ये जो डब्बा है ना, एक तो ये सिग्नोरा वेयर का है. सिग्नोरा वेयर इज अ गुड ब्रांड, वेल नोन ब्रांड फॉर किचन आइटम्स, एंड दिस इज ग्लास. वैसे भी प्लास्टिक शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड, पीरियड। प्लास्टिक मत यूज करो। प्लास्टिक कोई यूज कर रहा है उसको भी बोलो मत यूज करने के लिए। प्लास्टिक बहुत 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 हार्मफुल है एनवायरनमेंट के लिए, आपके लिए बहुत खराब है। प्लीज स्विच टू ग्लास एंड अदर ऑप्शंस। आई नो इट्स एक्सपेंसिव, बट इन द लॉन्ग रन it will be helpful and you will always remember that you made the better choice for yourself. 644 ka hai, I got a rupees 200 off on this. Still worth it, you know. So it's microwave safe as well. Now the best part about this is that it comes with 2 compartments. So अगर आपको rice and dal या rice and curry लेके जाना है ऑफिस, स्कूल, कॉलेज, ये बड़े वाले में आप राइस रख लो, इस वाले में दाल करी जो भी है रख लो, इसी में आप खा भी सकते हो। परफेक्ट ऑप्शन। या फिर अगर आपको रोटी सब्जी लेके जाना है वो भी आप कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे रोटी रख लो, यहाँ पे सब्जी रख लो एंड यू आर सॉर्टेड एंड गुड टू गो। सो आई थॉट कि यार ऐसा कोई टिफिन बॉक्स ना हमारे कलेक्शन में था नहीं। समटाइम्स इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू पैक लाइक चावल एंड दाल लाइक आई वाज सेइंग. So I thought this would be a great investment and it is so. All right, now next up I have these fridge boxes, like fridge storage units or fridge storage boxes basically. So I have 3 of them here, but I got a pack of 6 I think, and 3 of them we're already using. Now these basically na help in space saving in your fridge, and these make all your things look very organized. Now what had happened is before we purchased this, इसके पहले हमारे सारे प्रोटीन बार्स, सॉसेस, जिंजर, लेमन, ये सारी चीजें ना फ्रिज में इधर उधर रहते थे एंड स्पेस तो प्रॉपर्ली यूटिलाइज होता ही नहीं था। वो तो छोड़ ही दो, कितने गंदे लगते थे देखने में। बट दीज हैव मेड लाइफ मच इजियर बिकॉज चीजें काफी सॉर्टेड लगती है, ऑर्गेनाइज लगते हैं एंड स्पेस सेविंग भी हो जाता है। I'm showing you a live video right now and you can see how the lemons and the ginger and everything is properly bifurcated. I love it. And एक में protein bars भी है. So अगर आपके फ्रिज में egg tray and वो सब नहीं है तो आप eggs भी रख सकते हो. Of course eggs are more prone to breakage and all of that, so be careful. But you can basically use these things for a lot of different things. Chilies रख लो, कड़ी पत्ता रख लो, धनिया पत्ता रख लो, जो आपको रखना है ना आपके प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से बस रख लो. It will make look things, what am I saying? It will make things look neater, cleaner, and it will help in space saving. That is the idea. 6 containers cost $4.99, but I got a great offer. I got 6 of them for rupees 150, I think, which is amazing and unbelievable. आप divide करके देख लो एक कंटेनर का कितना प्राइस आ रहा है. हाँ, बताना मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में. I'll tell you something about myself. I can't make chapatis. Yes, guys, I'm an Indian girl who can't make chapatis. I've tried and I've failed. I've tried and I've failed. And generally, if I get into something, I absolutely see the end of it. But I don't know, roti making was something जो मैंने लॉकडाउन में ट्राई किया था, मुझसे हुआ ही नहीं कभी प्रॉपर्ली. हमारे घर पे कुक समटाइम्स दे आर वेरी इरेग्युलर, तो मुझे उनको बाय बाय बोलना पड़ता है. समटाइम्स दे कांट कुक प्रॉपर्ली, तो मुझे बाय बाय बोलना पड़ता है. अभी बहुत किस्मत जगी है मेरी शायद 2025 में कि मुझे सामने से ही एक कुक मिली है जिनको काम चाहिए था एंड हमने उनको कुकिंग जॉब पे लगाया है. तो ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज वी हैव चपातीज नॉट एवरी डे बट एवरी वंस इन अ व्हाइल. सो आई नीडेड अ गुड कैसरोल. So I went in for this one. This is from Milton. You guys know Milton. It's such a famous brand, such a good brand making good products. And this is Milton's oyster casserole because this looks like an oyster. It's beautiful because it's in this amazing like a light sea greenish color and lid में ना ये golden accessory है which I'm loving. ये कुछ 860 ml का है, so बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, छोटा भी नहीं है, medium sized का है and अच्छे से आप इसको सील करके बंद कर सकते हो. लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी, विल कीप योर चपातीज वार्म एंड सॉफ्ट एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो keep your biryani or your pulao, basically whatever the hell you want to in here. It's a very good quality thing. I absolutely loved it. This one's MRP is rupees 550, but I got it for 400 rupees, which is still a great deal considering how beautiful it looks, and of course it's full of utility, so love the deal. Alright guys, तो मैंने ना आप लोग को सारे किचन आइटम्स दिखा दिए. ऑफ कोर्स कुछ रैंडम आइटम्स है बचे हैं, बट मैंने ना इस बार Amazon रिपब्लिक डे सेल पे ना काफी बुक्स भी खरीदे हैं. ना बुक्स का ये चीज है कि मैं अभी अगर आप लोग को बुक्स दिखाऊं एंड अगर आप बुक रीडर नहीं हो, आप बुक्स में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो, तो आप ना स्किप कर जाओगे, पूरी वीडियो नहीं देखोगे. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं आपको कौन से आइटम्स दिखाऊं. अभी ये कैसे कश्मकश में मैं आगे हूँ पता नहीं, बट मैं आप लोग को बुक्स दिखाई देती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम लिटरली डाइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दीज बुक्स. ये आप स्किप कर लेना. हाँ, 2 मिनट या 1 मिनट में आप लोग को कुछ बस बैकग्राउंड दे देती हूँ. हाउ माई love for books has evolved over the years. Let me just talk to you guys about that. So I basically, the school that I used to go to, like every other school, had this amazing library, and we had this library class, if I'm not wrong, every Tuesday or Wednesday. So आप वहाँ पे जाके आप कोई भी book select करके आप उसको issue कर सकते थे, and basically you could take that book with you and keep it with you for 7 to 14 days and return the book. So because of this amazing practice that our library had, I was so much into books. I've read a lot of Enid Blyton. I've read lots and lots of Nancy Drew. मैंने हैरी पॉटर भी पूरा नहीं पढ़ा था, बट काफ़ी पढ़ा था. ट्वाइलाइट मैंने पढ़ी थी. मैंने और भी रॉयल डल, रस्किन बॉन्ड, बहुत कुछ मैंने पढ़ा था. बहुत मैं बुक्स पढ़ने लगी हूँ. इफ़ यू गाइज वांट टू वॉच लाइक डेडिकेटेड स्पेसिफिक वीडियोज ऑन बुक्स, बुक रिव्यूज, बुक recommendations, what all books should you read if you're a beginner. I mean, I'm not some expert or something, but I will try and make those videos also for you, but considering my audience is interested, so do let me know. Okay, so I guess thoda sa background ho gaya. If you're still checking around, thank you. So now I will show you the 4 books that I purchased in the Amazon Republic Day sale, and I will tell you of course the MRP and the brilliant amazing deals that I cracked for these books, because किसी भी book store में मुझे ये deals पे नहीं मिलते. वो लोग ना 4-5% ऑफ दे देते हैं. देयर इज दिस बुक स्टोर चेन इन बॉम्बे which is known as the Bargain Hut. I don't know if your city has that, but if it does, do check it out. If you're an avid book reader ना, Bargain Hut जाओ अगर आपके सिटी में अवेलेबल है, of course, because they give 20% off on most of their books and it's great. बट Amazon ने उससे भी ज्यादा डिस्काउंट दिया यार, एंड कुछ कुछ ऐसे बुक्स पर डिस्काउंट दिया जो लाइक बेस्ट सेलर्स है, एंड जो कोई भी बुक स्टोर उन पे ऑफर नहीं करता है, बिकॉज दे आर बेस्ट सेलर्स, यू नो. सो आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू टॉक टू यू गाइज अबाउट दीज बुक्स. एंड बाय द वे, Amazon रिपब्लिक डे सेल खत्म हो चुका है, बट ऑल ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स विल बी लिंक्ड बिलो, एंड काफी चीजें अभी भी बहुत अच्छे ऑफर पे अवेलेबल है. सो डू चेक देम आउट इफ यू लाइक देम. नाउ लेट्स गेट टू द बुक्स. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Talk to you guys about these books. Kindle is a great option. Ebooks are great, but nothing like the smell of books. If you guys agree to this, please like kar dena. The most interesting part of my book shopping from Amazon in this Republic Day sale was that I picked up a book from 4 different categories. One is self-help, one is fiction, one is a biography, and one is in the self-help category only, but it's something to do with eating and food habits. So now let me tell you what all did I pick up. The first book that I picked up is Verity. This one is by Colleen Hoover. She has been New York Times best-selling author. मैंने इनके 2 books पहले भी पढ़े हैं. It Starts With Us and It Ends With Us. इट एंड्स विद अस की मूवी भी आई थी अभी रिसेंटली, ब्लेक लाइवली की, जिसपे भी काफी ज्यादा कंट्रोवर्सी चालू हो चुकी है. आई एम नॉट स्टिल टेकिंग एनी साइड्स, यू नो व्हाई, बिकॉज यू कैन नेवर टेल. ओके, यू कैन नेवर टेल. टॉनी डेप के केस में थिंग्स वर लिटिल मोर क्लियर एंड देयर वाज मच मोर क्लैरिटी, बिकॉज उनका केस कोर्ट में चल रहा था एंड यू कुड एक्चुअली सी लाइव हियरिंग्स एंड यू कुड सी किसके पास क्या एविडेंस है. बट इन ब्लेक लाइवलीज केस, she's coming up with something, he's coming up with something, पूरा एकदम hodgepodge हो चुका है. Anyway, coming back to the point, now I have heard amazing things about this book. Okay, it's of course a fiction book, and because मैंने It Starts With Us and It Ends With Us पढ़ी है, and बहुत फट से पढ़ी है ना, in 2 to 3 days, तो मैंने फट खत्म किए हैं. तो I love romantic novels, okay, and you know what, I'm gonna get into this genre even more in 2025. I'm gonna read books by Emily Henry. She's written amazing books, and मैंने बहुत अभी वीडियोस लिखने चालू किए हैं बुक्स पे, and I think she's a very good author for romance novels. So I'm going to try reading Emily Henry. But yeah, this is the book, you guys. I of course haven't read it, so I can't really tell you the premise or what it is all about. I just had heard great reviews, and that's why I went ahead and purchased this one. इसका MRP 399 था, and offer पे मुझे ये इस प्राइस पे मिला जो मैं स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश कर रही हूँ. So of course I cracked a great deal. Now let's move on to the next book. Alright, next up I have this book by Rujuta Divekar. The book is Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight. Okay, this is the book. It's not a very recently written book, but it's a very good book, you know. Like अगर आप लोग को diet follow करना है, अगर आप लोग weight loss करना चाहते हो, and more than weight loss, अगर आप healthy eating को sort of अपने लाइफ में inculcate करना चाहते हो, I think this is gonna be a great pick for such people. So she is the dietitian for, I think, Kareena Kapoor Khan and a lot of other celebrities. She plans their diet charts and everything. And so मैंने देखो ये बुक पढ़ी नहीं है, इनमें से मैंने कोई भी बुक पढ़नी स्टार्ट नहीं की है, बिकॉज मैं अभी इस मोमेंट पे एक थ्रिलर पढ़ रही हूँ, जॉन ग्रिशम की द एक्सचेंज। अगर आप लोगों को बुक रिलेटेड वीडियोस देखनी है मुझे बताना, मैं डेफिनेटली उस बुक के बारे में बात करूंगी आप लोगों के साथ। इन दिस बुक ना आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू सम ग्लिम्पसेस एंड सम पेजेस इन दिस बुक ना, somewhere she has actually given you like a sample diet chart, okay, like a meal plan basically, and she's mentioned the profession of the person, so what the person does and what the person should be eating. So every single person on planet earth cannot be given the same diet because we don't follow the same profession. We might be having different dietary needs. Somebody might have cholesterol, somebody might have diabetes, so different people need different diet plans. हम क्या सोचते हैं ना कि चलो ये खा लेंगे तो वी आर हेल्दी, नहीं यार, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Everybody has different requirements. So I'm hoping कि what I know before reading this book will change and I will be in a much better position after I am done reading this book. And if you guys are interested now, I will definitely come up and tell you the key points of this book. If not in a long video, shorts में मैं आप लोग को definitely share करना चाहूँगी. Okay. इस बुक का बाय द वे MRP है ₹250, so it's already a pretty cheap book considering, you know, it's such a like bestseller and such a good book for food and eating habits and diet and everything. So 250 का था, but मुझे ये भी डेफिनेटली किसी ऑफर पे तो मिला ही होगा, प्राइस मैं यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दूंगी. Next up, I have this book. It's not really
A few moments later.
वे मैंने कैटेगरीज आपको गलत बोले थे. देखो, एक तो सेल्फ हेल्प बुक जो मैंने बोला था ना, वो यही वाला था, डोंट लूज योर माइंड लूज योर वेट. एक हो गया फिक्शन जो कि था वेरिटी बाय कॉलिन हूवर. एक ऑटोबायोग्राफी है जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ किसकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी है. आई एम सुपर पम्प्ड एंड एक्साइटेड टू रीड दैट. एंड फोर्थ जो बुक है वो सेल्फ हेल्प भी नहीं है, फिक्शन भी नहीं है. दिस इज हिस्टोरिकल, आई गेस. आई डोंट नो व्हाट कैटेगरी टू सॉर्ट ऑफ पुट दिस इन. दिस इज बेसिकली सेपियंस. This is by Yuval Noah Harari, and this has been such an amazing bestseller book. Okay, Bill Gates ने इस book के बारे में कहा है, I would recommend Sapiens to anyone who's interested in the history and future of our species. So not just the history, future of species के बारे में भी अगर आपको जानना है तो आपको definitely ये book तो पढ़ ही लेनी चाहिए. It's a multi-billion copy bestseller by the way. Yeah, it's great, you know. It talks about the origin of humankind basically, and like I told you all, I haven't started reading any of these, but I'm super excited. Okay, starts from your whole evolution and everything. It's brilliant, and I've heard so many good things about this book. I'm actually very excited to read this, and more than me, I think my husband Vivek is gonna be very, very super joyed and excited to read this because he's very much into history and astronomy and science fiction and all of that. But this is a kind of book which will appeal to both of us, I feel like. And of course we share our books. He also has a brilliant book collection by the way, but we share our books. So मैं share करने वाली हूँ ये विवेक के साथ because he will like it. Last but not the least, the book that I have is an autobiography. Okay, what I'll do is I will tell you किसकी autobiography है. Obviously I'll tell you यार, come on. उसके पहले एक छोटा सा इंट्रो हो जाए क्या अबाउट दिस पर्सन जिसके बारे में ऑटोबायोग्राफी क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं. इट्स अ बायोग्राफी. गाइस, हैव आई लॉस्ट इट? आई एम गिविंग रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड देन यू पीपल विल कम अटैक मी इन द कमेंट्स. नहीं, ऐसा मत करना. It was a genuine mistake. It's not an autobiography. It is a biography. It is the biography of a. Let me see if you guys can guess. हाँ, pause करके comment करना. It's the biography of a legend, of an icon, of a star. शाहरुख खान की बायोग्राफी मैंने खरीद ली. दिस इज बाय मोहर बासु. सो या इसके भी चैप्टर्स के बारे में आपसे बात कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. द रिटर्न ऑफ द किंग. इट टेक्स अ विलेज इवन फॉर अ बादशाह. द बिग बॉम्बे ड्रीम. A love story for the ages. The anti-hero. Everyone wants a Raj. That's true. The world is his oyster. Shah Rukh Khan, the man everyone loves and wants. Doom of Y2K. रिस्क है तो इश्क है बेबी. द खान स्टूड टॉल. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. ब्यूटिफुल. really looking forward to this. Yeah, look at this picture. अब पठान के वनवास का टाइम खत्म हुआ. So ये बुक का जो MRP है ना, that is 800 rupees. 800 rupees is the MRP. I definitely didn't pay that. I paid, I think, around 400 or 500, which is worth it because firstly it's a hardbound hardcover book. Okay, उनके prices ज़्यादा ही होते हैं. Second, look at this. I mean, come on. I mean, I'm a 90s kid and I'm a Shahrukh fan out and out. Excited to read it. Of course, I haven't read it yet, but I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna put the price that I paid for it. It's gonna be linked below. And back cover में by the way लिखा है, I say it with all humility, I am the last of the stars. Let's move on to the next set of items, shall we? 2024 के किसी तो एक वीडियो में मैंने ना आप लोगों से बात की थी about this room spray, linen spray, and in my 2024 favorites video also that product was featured. I loved that product. A lot of variety in it, a lot of variety in the fragrances. So the product that I had mentioned earlier was a lavender fragrance from this brand Aroma Fume. Aroma Fume से ही I have two new room fragrances and these are also linen sprays. Okay, so basically room and linen sprays. The first one that I have is Californian White Sage. You get 100 ml of spray in here and these will I think cost you around 400 rupees and that is the price that we paid for these sprays. इनमें ज़्यादा कुछ off नहीं था guys, I'm sorry, but हाँ off नहीं था. But we wanted two new fragrances because lavender वाला खत्म हो रहा है. And this one is eucalyptus and mint room and linen spray. Now Californian White Sage जो है ना, this is a floral and a sweet smell. So if you guys want a pleasant smell for your room, for your living room, bedroom, this one is the one that you should go for. Eyes closed, like definitely. If you guys want like a very strong Ayurvedic aroma in your room, if you guys are having a headache or if you guys just want to play some soothing music, close your eyes and go off to sleep, probably eucalyptus and mint would be the better choice. If I had to pick, I would pick the Californian White Sage one because this is a sweeter smell. This one is a little strong, but it's good nevertheless. And like I mentioned, the price is going to be around 400 or 500 rupees for these sprays, but they're really, really good and we really enjoy the fragrances. Alright, the last thing that I picked up in the Amazon Republic Day sale are these dumbbells. Now they are heavy, they are immensely heavy and they are not near me right now because मैं उनको कैरी करके नहीं लेके आ पाती, स्पेशली द वंस जो विवेक के लिए है वो बहुत हैवी है. सो बेसिकली विवेक के ना 3 kgs के है, सो बेसिकली 3 kg each. So the two of them are of 6 kgs and they are from this brand called Lifelong, which makes very good like workout equipments and all. It's a good brand, you'll get it on Amazon obviously. And his dumbbells were for 600 bucks, but I got it for rupees 350. Okay, and his ones are black obviously. So for myself, I picked up these pink dumbbells from this brand called Fitbox. These are priced at 499 rupees and all I paid for them are 199 rupees. Steal deal, absolutely steal deal. 300 rupees off on the dumbbells. They look very cute. Now I have to tell you something that if you guys are wanting to start on your fitness journey, you want to buy like dumbbells, don't buy the ones that I bought for myself. You can of course buy the ones from Lifelong, but ये Fitbox वाले ना नहीं अच्छे हैं. I mean, see, of course 2 kg के है, weight वगैरह ठीक है, but the finish is not premium, the finish is not proper. Lifelong वाले का finish बहुत अच्छा है, so it's a much more better brand, a better worth for your money. So अगर आप लोगों को वो गर्ली क्वर्की वाले कलर्स चाहिए तो Amazon has its own dumbbells. I think Solimo के है, वो पिकअप कर लेना. क्वर्की कलर के चक्कर में मेरे जैसा गलती मत करना प्लीज, because my dumbbells, of course they are great for workout, but the finish is not good. I don't like the finish, I don't like the paint, it's weird. Anyway, that's all for today's video guys. I showed you everything that I purchased in the Amazon Republic Day sale. And oh my, this was a never-ending video. It was such a long video, but I thoroughly enjoyed filming it. And yeah, all the products will be linked in the description box below. And I will see you very, very, very soon, super soon in my next video. In case you guys are wondering कि इस haul में कोई beauty products क्यों नहीं थे, कोई clothing products क्यों नहीं थे, guys, I will be genuinely honest with you that beauty products I only shop from Nykaa. I still haven't tried out Tira Beauty. And for clothing, I trust my good old Myntra या फिर offline shopping. Trust me, that's the only reason. Of course, beauty and clothing की बात आती है तो मैं Amazon से कभी कभार, वेरी रेयरली कुछ कुछ चीजें मंगा लेती हूँ, बट एज अ प्रैक्टिस I use Nykaa for beauty products and Myntra for clothing items, which is why you don't see those two categories in this haul. But I promise you that very, 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 very soon I'm gonna bring your way Nykaa haul as well as a Myntra haul. And yeah, I have other lots of fun content planned for you guys as well. So I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Till then, take care, loads and loads of love. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करते हुए जाना एंड लाइक कर देना. And like I said, I will see you very, very soon. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care. Bye bye.